seaweeds. Crab. So, morning beach tayo ngayon. Ganda pa rin. Daming seaweed dito. Kaya maraming seaweed dito kasi pag hapon, high tide. Dito napupunta sa pangpang yung mga seaweed. Kaya ganun. Ayun, dito tayo sa kabilang side. Doon kami dati. Itong mga anak ko nandun. Ang layo ng narating nila. Parang ano dito. Mas maganda dun sa kabila. Doon tayo. Ba't nandito kayo? Dapat dun eh. Ha? Ba't nandito kayo? Di ba dapat dun? Tingnan nyo. Parang mas maganda dun sa kabila.
Okay. We go. Where should we go?
Ayun o. Tingnan mo. Ang lamig ng tubig dito.
Saan tayo punta?
Doon sa kabila, tingnan nyo. Mas dark yung ano dito oh. Dito sa medyo bungad kasi ito. Dapat dun eh. Bakit nandito kayo? Parang mas malinis yung tubig doon. Ay, ayun, crab. Baby crab. Sa kulay niya yung sand. Daming crabs. Sabihin mo kay LJ, wait lang. Jerry, sabihin mo kay LJ, wait lang. Parang ang layo ng tubig masyado. Kahapon na nag-swimming kayo ni Papa. Saan kayo banda?
Mom! Please! What happened here? The water's so far!
Ma? May mga fish. Oh. Ha? Ang ingay mo, basta. Hindi yan tadpoles, baby fish. LJ, ano ba? Tingnan mo siya. Behave lang siya. Oh, ingay mo.
Oh, we saw starfish. I'm walking here. Lalang.
LJ, nasa dagat ka, sabi mo I hate. Gusto mo marinig ka niyan, magalit sa'yo. Don't say I hate. Ha? Dito, kuya. Kuya, dito. Baby fish yun, di yung tadpole. Ginugulo mo sila. Natatakot yung mga fish.
Where? I really want to go home now. I want to go home. I'm looking at... Uy, dyan na ba? Ano dyan?
Hindi dyan, dun. Morning.
Morning. We hate this. Why? It's really fucking...
Parang madumi dun, kuya. Huwag kayo dun. Doon sa kanina dun. Parang nakita mo yung black. Ano yun? Hindi ba oil yun? Oo, sa kanya. Maglakad ka lang. Walang sudden dip daw.
Are we almost there?
Ayun no, doon tayo.
Huh?
Malayo pala na. May bato dun, oh. Be careful, oh. May malaking bato. Medyo wag ka nga kasing... Ang ano-ano mo kasi. Sabi, dahan-dahan lang, eh. I don't know. Wag kayo doon sa bato na yun, ah. Bakit? Ay, ang galing. Wow, I'm gonna capture that moment. Look. LJ, iwasan mo lang yung starfish.
Yay.
Look at that. Mama starfish and a baby starfish.
Yeah, that's
Is that Patrick? Hi, Patrick. Where's SpongeBob? Ay, si urchin, oh. I know.
Where?
Ayun yung si urchin, oh. Oh.
Yeah?
Mas maganda yung tubig dito, ba?
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo yung sea urchin, ah. Baka matapakan niyo.
Ano doon? Tiny bit.
Ayun, oh. LJ, ayun, oh. Para alam mo yung tsura ng sea urchin. Lika dito. Lika dito. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Tingnan mo.
I can't swim.
Halika dito. Ito, huwag ka sumigaw. Binubulabog mo yung mga fish. Why? It's better here. The water is cleaner.
Oh my gosh, so fun. Why is it happening? Get out of here. Clear water.
Kaya nga, eh, clear water siya. Pag morning talaga, malayo yung tubig.
There's no starfish. Ah! No, it's dust! Don't make dust in the sand! I need to see the floor! Don't make dust! Starfish!
Where?
Starfish!
Wala, TikTok na.
Ano ba?
Wala.
Shark!
Sana hindi ka na lang nag-beach kung ganyan ka.
Yeah. I'm not gonna pull you. I'm not gonna pull you this time. What's mom? What's that?
It's a rock, LJ. That's only a rock.
Okay. Sure. No, it's a storm shark. Stupid. You're scaring me. No, don't make the floor dust.
Gusto nyo doon tayo banda? Walk na lang tayo doon banda.
Where do
Doon na. Tara, balik tayo.
Walk tayo.
Dito na lang tayo mag-walk sa ano. Ayun na, may tao doon. Oh. So, ibig sabihin, it's okay there.
I don't want to be here. This is the worst. There's starfish.
Nak, you should be happy you saw a starfish. That's once in a lifetime. I'm rarely seeing starfish.
Spikes.
No, ano lang yan. Kasi ang ingay mo eh. Protection yan. Kasi ang ingay mo. Paakala nila.
Supersonic.
Ay, ito, dito pwede tayo mag-walk dito yata. Papunta doon. Just don't step on the sea urchins, ah. You know what it looks like.
Yeah, I know. It's spiky. What is the worst? I step on something. What is that? Is that a crab crack?
Can you just, both of you, can you just walk? Oh,
Okay, what?
is it mababaw? Is it shallow?
What is it?
Or we need to go around there?
What is it, Mom?
Okay, let's go around.
What is it, Mom?
Hindi ka pa naggupit ng kuko, LJ. Ang sakit ng kuko mo. Ilang araw ko. Ay, ang daming starfish dito. Look!
No! Oh my!
Look! A lot of starfish in there.
Don't. I don't want
It's amazing.
to leave me.
Look at that amazing starfishes doing sunbathing. Really cool, right? Come on. Those starfish are wonderful. Yeah. I don't actually know, but we can research it. That's something to ano, we should walk here. Do you think? Okay, let's walk here.
I don't know.
There's a shell. What's this shell?
I don't know, Mom. I don't know.
Look how wonderful the water is flowing. Come on.
Wait for me!
LG, quiet, ah.
Why? Hurry, Ellie, come here.
LG, just walk. What's the purpose of your shoes if you don't wanna walk? The purpose of your shoes is for you to walk. Here. Ay, malambot. Oh, there's a lot of shell, oh. Ay, nakakainis talaga to. Sasabunutan na kita kaya.
Let's go to the ocean.
Nag-explore nga tayo eh. Ayaw mo mag-explore? We should explore.
I'm trying to swim.
I know you don't want to swim, but we should explore first. How can you swim? Andun nga yung water, oh. Para kang ano eh, hindi ka makaano eh.
That was so close. Too close.
Maybe we should go here.
How long can we go to the ocean now? Mom.
Can you just quiet and just walk? How can we go over there?
Huh?
We should run there.
I'm not sure we're not.
Yeah. Ikaw mauna, run ka. And then we will run.
Okay.
Tingnan mo yung niraranan mo.
I'm not gonna run.
We just need to go over that.
Your tap full?
No. Oh, go next, LJ.
Hold on. We're done.
Go behind Kuya. What, Kuya?
Don't dust the floor! Don't
Huh?
Don't
They're what? Big or small? Here, there. Ay, hindi, wag dyan.
I mean, what is it? Guys, don't dust the floor!
How can we not dust the floor? Ano? Where should we go? Is there a path?
Oh, I think this place is only for, for Thursday. I want to come to the ocean now.
Ayun nga, doon tayo. Oh, ayun, no, may tao doon, no. Doon, no, may ocean doon, no. We just need to go over there.
Okay,
Kaya nga, dyan nga tayo pupunta.
Doon na doon, step ka.
Okay, almost there. Come on, guys. Yes! Come here. Come on. Don't cover your eyes. Just walk. Come on. Ito, wala na. Oh, dito sa white. Come here. Faster. Here's the sand. Oh. Come on, faster. What's wrong with these two guys? Can you faster para makaswim na tayo doon? Jairi, how can you see if you're covering your eyes? Huh? Just go get here, okay? Or run. Run.
Run! Why did you do that? Mama told me.
Just run, LJ.
How many starfish? Hurry on it. Don't wait for me now.
Patrick is the starfish. Is Patrick harmful? He's a joker. Just don't step on them para hindi sila maday. Come on.
Stop one restaurant.
Gutom na kayo? Dapat kasi nag-cereal kayo eh.
Oh no, mommy, I said that.
11 AM pa yun. Come on guys, wala na starfish dito. Dali,
Are you sure, Mom?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, starfish Mark. There is a starfish. She's flying.
Come on, there's no starfish here.
Starfish Mark. There is one right here.
Where?
I saw a starfish Mark. You're lying.
I'm not lying.
One right here. No, you didn't think you were to walk away? Are you really sure right now?
Yay! We're here. Finally. Come on, guys.
Mom, are you literally sure there's no starfish? I saw a starfish mark.
Saan?
I literally saw a starfish mark. I hate you. You know
Parang
that
malambot
mark?
eh.
The example, the starfish footprints.
Oh.
I saw it from the other side.
Look at the sand floor. Wala oh, di ba? It's clear.
Are you Mom? Should we sit down?
Yeah, sit down.
Should we trust Mom if there's no starfish?
Look at the floor. Can you see anything?
Oh my God! I want to go to the boat. I'm just gonna go.
Don't go too far, ah. Don't go too far. Dito
Yeah.
lang sa...
Yeah.
Let's see how far, ano.
Mom, sit down na.
Ayan.
Grabe kinaw.
Ginaw noon, lamig. Aga pa kasi.
Mama, make it more stronger than ever.
LJ, don't throw ano. Malambot lang yung ano dito.
make it dustier than ever.
Oh, look at the fish. Can you see the fish?
Yeah. Where?
Wow, it's so cool.
Where?
There, oh, sa malamang sa water.
It's sardine. What?
This is so wonderful.
Where?
We can see those kind of
Over there.
stuff.
Can't.
I
See
mean,
it.
wala na, nag-swim na
No,
sila.
it's tiny white.
Huwag kang turo na turo. Bite your
I mean, the tiny white.
Just walk, ano.
Mom, wait. Hey guys, dito na lang. Let's swim.
Ang lamig kasi ng tubig, eh, no? Parang malambot lang yung floor, no? Hindi tulad dun sa kabila, no?
Got it.